recording at 57% battery. You want to tell the folks what
turn your volume up on your radio.
Yeah, the whole way up I was bitching Fred out in my helmet so he wouldn't hear me about his helmet not working and stuff. I probably didn't even have my camera on, so what's the point? We're going uphill. We got a water crossing
And some snow
to look at and hopefully cross. 6 feet of snow, they said.
I don't know if
across.
It's 6 feet of snow, but we'll go take a look at it.
I don't know if it's 6 feet deep or
I'm
6.
surprised nobody's tried to bust through it.
6 feet across.
That's how you open stuff up, is you bust through it.
Yeah. All right.
I think we're about to get our feet wet. Piece of cake. Pretty cool though, huh?
Yeah. We should film that.
What's that?
We should film it.
I just did.
Oh, you did?
I'm running.
Oh, okay.
Alright, guess this way.
Hey there, everybody. This is Fred, Kilo Echo Zero, Delta Sierra Delta, and I'm just getting some refresher flight time with the drone here a little bit. These are where we stayed in Marysville. It's Pine Creek Cabins. They're at 759 South Pine Creek Road. You can contact them at 435-421-9309. Family run, husband and wife team. The cabins are beautiful, they're clean, and spacious enough for Rusty and I. But I just wanted to get some drone footage here. This is kind of the surrounding area of Marysville, and the beautiful valley that we were in. It was amazing. All the views were spectacular. We really enjoyed our time there. Cooked a couple good meals, had some fun and laughter at the cabins there, and overall just really enjoyed our time. So if you're looking for a cabin to stay while you go to the Paiute Trail System, the Pine Creek Cabins, I'm giving them a 2 thumbs up. But anyway, really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this video. I hope you're enjoying it, and we'll get back to the show here. This is Fred, Kilo Echo Zero, Delta Sierra Delta, and we'll talk to you soon.
Alright, here we go. Max Reed Trail. First time on it, 50-inch vehicles only. Oh, plenty of room. This is kind of more what we're used to in Colorado. Rusty and I really enjoy taking the 50-inch trails. You know, it keeps the big guys off of it, and seems like they're a little more taken care of, or not as maybe abused is the right word, or used. So they stay in pretty good condition. N0KTZ, this is Kilo Echo Zero, Delta Sierra Delta. We have made it to the Max Reed Trail, sir. Try to check back every once in a while, make sure Rusty's still there. I know he likes to hang back a little bit because of the dust.
At least we're getting some shade, and not too technical, but I'm liking it.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to find too much that's super technical here. But yeah, no, this is a great trail. I like it a lot. I was just mentioning to the viewers that, you know, the 50 trails are pretty nice because, you know, I don't think they get driven as much, and they're pretty well taken care of, so less traffic on them, you know.
I copy that. It's a nice view. Is the valley?
Absolutely.
need a head mount for cooking.
Yeah.
Get some video of that. Oh my goodness. You ready, buddy? You ready? Bon appetit. Chef Fred.